The construction industry is experiencing a shift. Skilled labor shortages, rising material cost, and a new and imperative focus on greener, more sustainable building practices puts pressure on every project to get more done with less. If design errors and inefficiencies are costing you money, and you find yourself wanting more accuracy and control over your projects, it is time to take advantage of proven technology. With 3D visualization as the centerpiece and a collection of data in the background, you have Building Information Management, also known as BIM. And it is not as complicated as you might think. Leveraging proven technologies like laser scanning, modular assembly, and virtual design and construction, known as VDC, makes it possible to build faster, leaner, and greener than ever before. It starts with your design drawings, ideally nearing the 50% construction document phase. From there, over the next 8 to 10 weeks, our team of skilled and experienced construction professionals build a 3D replica of your project, exactly as you would in real life. Excavation, footings, concrete pours, steel and/or wood framing, windows, walls, doors, and roofing. Mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and fire protection. Each component is built into the model, and each graphical element is tied to a database of information. Along the way, our team quickly begins to uncover and isolate the design issues and clashes that would traditionally be discovered in the field during construction, places where components simply don't fit in the spaces they've been assigned, or where two or more elements are instructed to occupy the same location. Next, our collaborative process allows these problems to be clarified and resolved, giving each stakeholder a coordinated path to complete their scope. RFIs and change orders are drastically reduced. Rework, frustration, and delays are avoided. BIM takes design clarity to the next level. Consistent across all stakeholders, each has access to the design information that matters most to them and the corresponding visual representations. Not only can the finished attributes be viewed, but teams can see what is happening behind the walls and inside ceiling assemblies. 2D takeoffs can be generated from the model. Shop drawings can be built from existing model data, and material quantities are accurate and obtained efficiently. Mobile access and simple viewers make the data and images accessible to anyone at any time, requiring minimal technical skill to navigate. Simple5D is your trusted partner for quality modeling and coordination. Visit Simple5D.com for more information on how BIM can streamline your next project.